Okay, every one of us, you are welcome once again to my channel where we learn skills. We learn how to make soap, we learn how to make cream, we learn how to make liquid soap, whatever the skills. Okay, and today I will be putting up on how we can use our digital scale to make accurate measurement. So you need a digital scale, of course, and then if you have it, some call it kitchen scale. Okay, so if you look at it closely, we have this on and off, we have mode, we have tape. So you can see my tape there's nothing there now. So let me take my oil measurement first. Okay, so I put this container on it, and then I put on my on and off button. Okay, and so what do I have then? I have 0. So, and I want to measure 250 gram of this is bleached palm oil. Okay, so beautiful. So if you look at it, you can see 251. Okay, 251. So you can still be 250, or if you want to start removing little by little so that it doesn't affect it, so let's just leave it as that. Okay, a little adjustment, it has balanced it to be 250. Okay, 252 again, little adjustment, so we can leave it like this. Let's assume it's 250. Okay, so you put down that, and so the next thing I want to measure is my water. Okay, I put it off again and then put it back. So what do? I put on my on and off to be on 0. Okay, so we can see it on 0. So I measure my water. I want 100 grams of water. You keep checking your scale. So it's already more than 100. So I will remove it and make sure it's 100. Okay, it's already reduced again. Okay, 100, 102. So I measure my water. I put my water aside. Okay, so what are the other chemicals we want to measure? Let's measure, put it off so that it doesn't read. So let's measure soda ash. Let's measure soda ash. Okay, to measure the soda ash now, I put my plate, put it on, make sure it's on the 0. So with the soda ash, I need just 17 grams of soda ash. 17 grams. Okay, this is giving me 18 grams. Just take a little from it, giving us 17 grams. Now that's good. Okay, so I put it aside. Remember, we are learning how to take our accurate measurement. So you really need the scale to get it accurately. So the next thing I'm going to measure is sodium sulphate. I want to use sodium sulphate, and then I'll be using that one for 25 grams. Okay, so put my container here. So for this sodium, I need the sodium sulphate. I need the 20 grams, 25 grams of the sodium sulphate. You know it's already on 0, so you can take it from your container 25 grams. What is it giving us already? 17, 21, 25. Beautiful. So we have it as that. So the next thing, I remove this, and then I will measure my caustic soda. Caustic soda. Okay, you place your plates on it, or your container. Once you are adding caustic soda, always make sure you put on your protective gloves. Okay, so I put it on. I have it as a 0. So and then I need caustic soda. I need 33 grams. 33 grams of caustic soda. You know it's very corrosive, so you need to be very, very careful. 33 grams of caustic soda. If today is the first time I'm coming to my channel, please do me good. Click on that subscribe button and put on the notification bell, so that each time I put on content like this, you'll be among the first set of people to receive. And then of course I run online classes. All these are made easy there. Reach me on the number written on your screen. Okay, so I measured the caustic soda, and this says 35. Okay, so I say I needed 33, not 35. So just remove it. There's no harm in doing it. Okay, now that we have done our reading, we can go on to our production. Okay, so if you're here to subscribe, please do subscribe, and let's join the online class so that we can learn more details how to go about our making of soap. It's so easy, it's not difficult. Yes, don't think it's something so difficult. Just DM me on the numbers written on your screen. And then of course I have an ebook. You can see it on the screen. The ebook contains a lot of recipes, and there you have problems and solutions to every possible questions you have on soap making. It's made easy. Okay, every challenges that you might be meeting, all are written and how to tackle with them. So with this book, you can be a pro on your own. Okay, see you in my next video.